VIVO V5 Plus, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings, scroll down, choose here the more settings, select about phone, scroll down, and let's tap a couple of times on software version. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back and right here you can choose developer options under accessibility. So now you can use all developer features. For example, you can allow OEM unlocking, so you can enable bootloader to be unlocked. You can also here enable view attribute inspection, use some running modes, use USB debugging and other stuff. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.